guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this half normal and half like video effects edit on CapCut PC. So copy and paste your videos and go to mask and select split and split it halfway. You can like split it this way as well, but I'm just going to split it like halfway. Go to effects and select the effect that you want to add and add it to your video. You can add in this mosaic one, this like cartoon one, and if you want to make the line smoother and blend it in a little bit more with your video, you can absolutely do that. You can also like blend it like this side so that you can see even like more of the normal side, and you can like even get it to like take over the whole thing if you like to, but I'm just going to like leave it like that. But yeah, you can do it with any effects if you want to, like this one for instance, and again feather it out if you want to blend it more with your original video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!